The skill you avoid when you're tired is the one that you actually need. I'm George Alex, and I've been a fluency coach for over 35 years. Let me help you get over fear and frustration and activate your English to use it confidently and freely in everyday life and business. Let's talk about something that every learner needs, no matter the goal: comprehension and production. Everyone needs both. Comprehension or input means listening and reading. Production means speaking and writing. This is output. Without comprehension, you don't understand the language. But without production, speaking and writing, you can't use it. Now, a simple question. Which one do you practice more? Listening and reading or speaking and writing? Write down in the comments, please. Most adults already know the answer. Listening feels safe. Reading feels controlled. You can pause, you can go back, nobody's watching, you go at your own pace. Now, to be honest, you have to face the truth. Come and acknowledge. Say this to yourself out loud when you're tired, busy, or stressed. Which one do you avoid? Speaking. And maybe even writing. Not because you don't want to improve, but because production feels risky and it stresses you out. And this is where I want to be very clear. Avoiding production or output is normal, but it has a cost. If you only train comprehension, you become very good at understanding. You don't become good at speaking. Production is a different skill. It trains recall, speed, decision-making, and that skill never develops automatically. The good news is this: you don't need to choose one or the other. You need both. But if speaking is your goal, production can stay optional. No, it can't. It can't stay optional. Think about this for a moment. Now I'm curious, comment below, which is your priority right now when learning English? Comprehension and input, or production and output? I'm looking forward to your comments.